Just seeing where it is. It's a bit off.
Yes, I thought it was a bit off. You just chose the hard one.
No. Hold coin button. Hold pause button. Carburet gun. Hold pause button.
I'm recording, by the way. Do you want me to?
Yeah, no, I wanted to pause and do. This is what I wanted to do because they said that sometimes the pause menu screws up the sound. Pause. Hold A. So, because the problem when you start calibrating, you go up there.
Mm.
So you sort of. Remember the cow one?
Oh,
We have
we
to
shoot
do
it
that,
up.
yeah, shoot it
Yeah. Oh, you got lucky there. You went for him. Nice.
Ah. This is when it happens.
There you go.
Okay, let's just keep going.
We'll just keep recording.
Yeah, because it'll come back in a minute. Or some can come sometimes. That's terrible.
Nice.
Yeah, you had a very hard one.
I was going to say, I thought mine went a lot faster than that.
Although you did really want this one. Ah. Ah. The music. I'll put in.
I forgot it gives you a completely different set of games each time.
Yeah, which is cool.
Oh,
Yeah. Terrible. Ah, terrible. Terrible. The music is really off-putting. You can't hear him turn.
no. Can't remember what that toys one was. It just literally just shooting the toys.
Yeah, it gives you a picture, and you have to find the toy on the rack.
Ah, yes, of course, yeah. This is one of those tough ones where you're playing with two players.
Yeah.
Only one of you can do it.
Yeah. I should have got the other gun. Hey, babe, you alright? Gotta get going. That's what they want the music from. There you go.
There we go.
Come back in, perfect.
Yeah, because you get the bullet sound as well now,
Yeah.
don't you? Which you didn't get before.
Much easier.
Weird how that makes a difference.
Especially something that's talking in your ear.
Scared me then. I'll stop recording the screen. He's got a gun and he's angry.
Bad voice. How did he not die?
Got both nice.
Terrible.
Oh, we used to be so good at this,
Oh,
mate.
he's so good at this.
Don't keep on recording, by the way.
No, stop now. That's fine. Perfect. Thank you.